Hello, welcome back students. So once again I am here with a new chapter for class 10 students, trigonometric identities. So I hope the question and the topic which I have explained in my chapter, you will be knowing it. So let's start with our topic, trigonometric identities. Here you can see that I have written few formulas. You can see here there is a triangle which I have made. This triangle has a base, height and an hypotenuse. Okay, so referring to this diagram, we can write sine A is equal to height upon hypotenuse or perpendicular upon hypotenuse. That means you can write P upon H. Wherever there is some sine angle, you can, and you have given a triangle in the question, you can easily put the value of perpendicular and the value of hypotenuse and you will be getting sine A. Here angle ABC, like this there will be a triangle. Now cos A is given by base upon hypotenuse. In short form I have written it B upon H. Tan A is given by perpendicular upon base, it means P by B. Now after writing all these three formulas, we can easily write the values of cot A, sec A and cosec A. These are all reciprocal of all the above three terms. Cosec A is reciprocal of sin A, so I have written here H upon P. You can see it's written P by H, so reciprocal of P by H will be H upon P. Again sec A is reciprocal of cos A, so you can write H upon B. Cot A is reciprocal of tan A, so you can write B upon P. There is a very interesting thing I am going to tell you to learn all these formulas. Pandit Badri Prasad har har bole. So you can write P upon H, B upon H and P upon B. Earlier I already told you that sin A is P upon H, B upon H and P upon B. So by this doha, or you can say a Hindi term, we can learn in a rhyming way, Pandit Badri Prasad har har bole. So you can easily learn the formulas. Now what is reciprocal relations? Sin A is given by 1 upon cosec A, cos A is 1 upon sec A and tan A is equal to 1 upon cot A. In any question, if you have the value of sin A and they have asked about what is the value will be of cosec A, you can easily write the reciprocal of sin A, and vice versa. If cosec A is given and you have to find sin A, you can easily put that value and you will be getting sin A. Now the fundamental identities, these are very important formulas which we will be using while solving the question. Sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1, 1 plus tan square A is equal to sec square A, 1 plus cot square A is equal to cosec square A. Keeping in mind that this angle A varies between 0 to 90 degree, means first quadrant. All these things, the fundamentals about trigonometry you will be going to learn or understand in your higher classes in class 11th and 12th. Right now in class 10th we have to just learn these formulas and you have to apply in the question. There will be no proof that will be coming in your board exams. So let's begin with solving a question. There is a question, sec square theta minus sin square theta in the numerator minus 2 sin to the power 4 theta divided by 2 cos to the power 4 theta minus cos square theta is equal to 1. इसमें हमें प्रूफ करना है इस आइडेंटिटी को, मीन्स यू हैव टू प्रूव दिस LHS इज इक्वल टू 1, दिस इज RHS. फाइन, सो आई विल टेक दिस होल टर्म, दिस लेफ्ट हैंड साइड टर्म एंड start solving the question. You just see carefully how I am taking the common terms and how I am approaching the concept, means how you easily minimize all the term to 1. क्योंकि ट्रिग्नोमेट्री में हमें मेन ये नहीं समझ में आता है कि हम किस पार्ट से स्टार्ट करें. So most of the student get stuck in between and they are not able to finally come to the conclusion. और ये बहुत टाइम टेकिंग भी कभी कभी हो जाता है जब हम बोर्ड एग्जाम्स देने बैठते हैं. So sin square theta minus, you can take common from both of these term. साइन स्क्वायर थीटा कॉमन का मतलब समझते होंगे, फैक्टर अगर आप करेंगे तो इसमें 2 साइन स्क्वायर थीटा आएंगे, इसमें 1 साइन स्क्वायर थीटा, एंड यू कैन राइट 1 माइनस 2 साइन स्क्वायर थीटा अपॉन here also you can take cos square theta common and inside the bracket you can write 2 cos square theta minus 1. So after this term I have written these term and you already know the identity, fundamental आइडेंटिटी साइन स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा इज इक्वल टू 1. ये ऑलरेडी गिवन है फॉर्मूला में ट्रिग्नोमेट्री के, जो मैंने जस्ट पहले अभी बताया है. सो फ्रॉम दिस फॉर्मूला आई कैन राइट साइन स्क्वायर थीटा इज इक्वल टू 1 माइनस कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा. नाउ दिस कैन बी रिटन लाइक दिस 1 माइनस 2 प्लस 2 कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा. I hope you have understood how I have written 2 cos square theta minus 1. 1 minus 2 is equal to minus 1 and this term is already there. So I have written positive term first and then minus 1. Now you can easily cut down both the terms, numerator and denominator, क्योंकि 2 cos square theta minus एक term है और ये भी एक term है. इन दोनों को कट करेंगे तो इसकी वैल्यू 1 हो जाएगी. Now this value can be written as, I am using this identity, that sin theta upon cos theta is equal to tan theta. All these things, all these fundamental identities you have to learn, formulas you have to learn. So I am replacing sin theta by cos theta by tan theta. So here I can write sin square theta minus, sorry, this is sec square theta, sorry, in the question I have written sec but here I have written sin. So you can correct it. From here I can write tan square theta. Fine. And there is one more identity which I have earlier told you. I am once again showing you all these fundamental identities. 1 plus tan square a is equal to sec square a. So if you transfer this tan square a in the right hand side, you can easily write sec square a minus tan square a is equal to 1. So here it is, sec square theta minus tan square theta will be equal to 1. And in our question also they have asked us to prove sec square theta minus this term is equal to 1, and finally we are getting 1, hence proved. In the same manner, let us solve one more question. We have to prove this sin 6 theta plus cos 6 theta plus 3 sin square theta cos square theta is equal to 1. You can write all these terms like this: sin square theta to the power 3 plus cos square theta to the power 3 plus 3 sin square theta cos square theta. This is a cube plus b cube, and we all know that the formula of a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b by the formula of a cube plus b cube. We know that it is given by a plus b whole cube minus 3ab a plus b. In the same manner you can write this equation like this: sin square theta plus cos square theta whole cube minus 3 into sin square theta cos square theta a plus b, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta, and we have already one term left, that is plus 3 sin square theta cos square theta. Fine, I hope students you must be getting the manner I am solving this question. So don't go on the alignment of my solving the question. Okay, fine, it is not going straight, I know. Now using the fundamental identities, sin square theta plus cos square theta is always 1. So we can write here 1 minus, here also we have the term sin square theta plus cos square theta, we can write it 1. So this whole term will become 3 sin square theta cos square theta, and this term is already present here. So 3 sin square theta cos square theta, इन दोनों को कट कर सकते हैं, कैंसल आउट हो जाएगा, माइनस एंड प्लस दैट विल बी इक्वल टू 0. So we are left with only 1, and in our question also they have asked us to prove this LHS is equal to 1, hence this question has been proved. So आप देख रहे हैं कितना इजी हो जा रहा है जब हम जैसे जैसे सिंप्लीफाई करते जा रहे हैं, और अगर हम याद रखेंगे कि फंडामेंटल आइडेंटिटीज़ क्या होती हैं, फंडामेंटल फार्मूलाज जितने भी गिवन है वो क्या होते हैं, तो हम इन क्वेश्चंस को बहुत ही ईजिली सॉल्व कर सकते हैं जस्ट बाय थिंकिंग अबाउट द टर्म, कि किस टर्म को हम कितना छोटा बना सकते हैं, कितना मिनिमाइज कर सकते हैं, कॉमन कौन सा टर्म ले सकते हैं, कौन किसका फैक्टर है,